Alright guys, I'm sorry about this. I know I'm late, but there's a system firmware update for RC71L. This is basically a what is it? A HotPlug controller fix, I believe. So that's basically what's going on right now. Firmware update. So yeah, I'm already plugged in. Normally I would keep this plugged in like this, but I wasn't expecting this to actually be a BIOS update. It looked like it's a BIOS update. Didn't really say much, but yeah. So I'm gonna let this install. This is gonna be a very short video because I'm actually in the process of doing something else. But I'll come back to you guys in a few with this. Okay guys, so there's a bigger update on top of it. There's also a AMD Radeon graphics drivers update also the MCU firmware update. So there's more updates basically towards it, as you can see right here. So there's just multiple updates that's coming in towards it. I wasn't planning on doing a video like this. I was going to do it inside the other room, but I didn't know that was going to be an update coming up. So actually that looks like it's done. Let's click close. And it looked like there's a restart that needs to happen like right now. Okay, so basically you can see basically my Windows thing is not there right now. So give me a second. Again, like so many damn text messages all at once. So I need to open up control panel. Okay, so give me a second. I need to open a control panel on my own keyboard. So just give me a few. Okay, there we go. Got that open. Let's restart. As you can see right here, I'm actually using my phone this time because I ain't have enough time to actually do it. I just jumped into this thing right away to actually do everything. So yeah, this is my other dock right here. I'm actually in front of my my main setup. Just give you guys a little fast peek of what I'm doing. As you can see right here, this is my main setup right here. So yeah. So let this do what it's gotta do. I don't have my gimbal, I don't have my tripod in front of me. I'm doing this one hand. So yeah, sorry about that guys. Okay. Gotta get my other mouse, content, updates. Do a double check again. Bear me for a second. And like I always say, you gotta always check the other stuff. I know there's other updates that needs to happen. Let's see. Everything's up to date. We got that. We got the ASUS HotPlug controller. We also had the HAL. We had the graphics also. So all that's up to date, which was today the 24th. So the MCU firmware was today. The ASUS HotPlug controller was today. And the AMD Radeon graphics driver was today, as you can see right there. So let me back this out as there's no more need. Just do a fast refreshing. We're gonna go towards my ASUS, which I'm gonna just move my camera down for a second. Yeah, I know, it's dusty down there, right? Okay, there is an update for that. Confirm. Move that out the way real quick. Download and install updates. Click OK. As you can see right there. Checking history. Okay. There was a BIOS update. Okay. Nothing that I see on the desktop. Okay. Let's go back here. Let's just do a fast little check for update. Okay, seeing like everything is up to date. Click that out. Microsoft Store. Because I know there's going to be a shitload of updates that's got to be on here. Click on library. My ASUS is updating right now. As you can see, AMD graphics was updated today. Then I also got to do an update for Windows also. So let's do that right now while that's doing that thing. So let's do this. Check for update, which I know there's going to be a couple of updates. Security or probably a Windows update. I'm not completely sure, but mostly security. Yeah, like I said, security. Actually, no, this is not security. This is actually the update preview for Windows 11. So this is a point update for it. So that's basically the stabilization for everything. So yeah, once everything is updated, there's no need for me to continue this video, guys. As you can see, you always know once you finish the update, you always want to click update again, and that's going to finish up everything right there. So these were the updates. You have BIOS update, you had the MCU firmware, you had the ASUS HotPlug controller, and you also had the AMD Radeon graphics driver update. All happened today on the 24th, April 24th. So I'm gonna catch you guys later. That's it, and I'm out. Deuces. Whoa.